Prompt engineering is the skill of designing and optimizing instructions and commands to get the desired output from artificial intelligence or AI. It has been gaining attention because it is needed to master generative AI such as ChatGPT. The quality of the output content from generative AI varies greatly depending on the command given to it, so the skill of entering prompts, which are appropriate commands, is required. The spread of generative AI has brought prompt engineering into the spotlight. In particular, a large language model, such as ChatGPT, requires users to give a prompt because the response depends on the command to the model. In other words, if you do not know how to give a prompt, you cannot get the intended answers. For example, let's say you want generative AI to create a script of an effective sales talk. If you give a command without providing prior information, you will not get good results. By giving good and bad examples of past sales scripts, you can increase its accuracy. It is important to correctly select the background information and other relevant factors and send it to generative AI. Effective prompts make instructions specific and clear, rather than complex and confusing. It is also effective to identify details, including the desired items, format, number, and range for the output. Users can make decisions based on consolidated outputs in line with the instructions, rather than unconsolidated ones. In the case of an interactive generative AI, such as ChatGPT, users can gradually increase the accuracy of the answers by narrowing down the commands and instructions while interacting with the generative AI, instead of executing a prompt to get all the accurate answers from the beginning. It is a way of increasing accuracy by entering one prompt at a time. Engineers who can design effective prompts are called prompt engineers, and they are gaining attention as a new occupation for AI. They are responsible for improving outputs from generative AI in a way that meets human intentions. There are 4 factors in prompts. Factor 1 is instruction, which includes tasks that the generative AI model performs. Factor 2 is context, which is the background or external information that you want the generative AI model to consider in order to improve the quality of the output. Factor 3 is input data, which is the question you want the generative AI model to answer. Factor 4 is output indicator, which is the desired type or format of outputs. These factors need to be taken into account to create the right prompt.